Hi, how are you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube banner with the help of Canva, right? So let me show you what is the banner first. So let me open my YouTube, right? And here you can see that after this profile picture, this is the banner
Hello,
that is
how are
visible
you? And
when
welcome back to my YouTube
you
channel,
press a
Course
click
by
here,
Sid.
right? So
So
you can
today in
see
this video, we're going to see
similarly I
that
can show
how
you
we
one more
can.
banner also which I have created with the help of Canva only. So this is my channel Tech Engineer Rabber. This is my another channel, and here you can see that this is the banner Tech Engineer Rabber, subscribe Engineer Full Stack Developer. So this I have created with the help of Canva. So to open the Canva, come to your Google and just type Canva, right? And then open the Canva site. And if you are not logged in and if you haven't created your account, you'll first create your account on Canva and then you'll be redirected to this homepage of the Canva, right? So here you can see that this is the template which I have created. This is the YouTube banner template which I have created with the help of the Canva. So here you can see that this is the same, right? This one. Now to make a YouTube banner, what you'll do, you'll come to this search bar and you'll just type YouTube banner, right? So this will give you a lot of templates, right? Let's see how many templates are available right now. So here you can see that at this moment Canva has 5327 templates, right? And that's a huge number. But here you need to notice one thing, that all of them are not free. Here you can see that this is having the pro version, right? You need to upgrade to access this template. You need to upgrade it to Canva Pro to access this template, right? And then if you will scroll down a bit, so here you can also see that this template contains paid elements also, right? So there are paid elements as well as the Canva Pro templates elements are there, right? So but we will make it the free, we will use the free templates. So we need to scroll down a bit and we'll see which one is the best for our YouTube channel, and that is also the free one, right? So let me see. Okay, let me select this one, right? It is neither showing pro nor it is the paid one, right? Now after opening this, you will just click here on the customize this template, and then this will open your template, right? Now what the next thing you'll need to do is you'll need to replace this image, right? And you need to come to your uploads, just upload the file over here, right? I have already uploaded the file, so here you can see that I will replace this image with this image of mine, right? And then after that I'll write my channel name also. So let's say I'll write course by Sid, right? And here I'll write coding and programming, right? So I'll write coding and programming, right? Anything I can write. And here you can see that it is giving the subscribe, and this button is, well, it's a YouTube channel, so that's okay. I'm not going to replace this. But yeah, since it's not a music channel, so instead of this, I'll write one, I'll add one computer image, right? So I'll come to this element over here, and then here I'll write computer, right? So here you can see that this is the laptop which I'll be using over here, right? So simply you will need to drag and drop this on your template, right? And here you can see that this has now been created, right? Now if you like to change this, right, if you like to change the colors, so let's say I'll use black, right? And the background also, if you like to change it, so what you can do, let me show you. You can change it as red or any color, right? So I'll be using this color only, right? And Here as well you can change, but I'm not changing it right now. Yeah, so it's look good. So you can also preview this by clicking over here, and here you can see that this is your YouTube banner which has now been prepared, right? Next, after making this banner, you will just click on this share button, and then after that you'll come to this download, right? Select the file type as PNG, which is the suggested one, and you can also download in JPG, PDF, standard PDF print, also MP4, video, GIF, anything formatting you can like. But since it is suggesting the PNG, so I will recommend that you'll go with this, with the suggestion of the Canva only, right? So I'll I'm not going to change this file type, and then I'm going to click on this download button, right? So here you can see that my download has now been started. It is downloading the file, right? And then here you can see that this has now been downloaded, right? So yes, here you can see that this has now been downloaded, right? Yeah, it is still downloading. Just a second. Yeah, so it all depends on your computer speed, right? Just a second. Just a second. It will take hardly it will take 1 minute, right? So if I'll open this, so here you can see that this is the banner which we have added, right? Just a second. I'll open it one more time. Okay. So here you can see that in this video you have seen that how to create a YouTube banner with the help of the Canva. And guys, if you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe this channel. And in case you have any doubt, you can leave your comments in the comment sections, right? And I hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thank you for now.